It's a very exciting time to be a neuroendocrine tumor patient and a neuroendocrine tumor care provider. Now more than ever, multidisciplinary care is essential to the optimal treatment of these patients. We need to get the tent larger, include more people. We need to talk more amongst each other. We need to come up, medical oncology, surgical oncology, nuclear medicine. We have to come up with some kind of guidelines that are generalizable on how to best sequence some of these treatments. And actually, we are answering many of these questions in the cooperative groups currently. What's best to use first and second and third. And in this way, help and provide the best quality type of care to our neuroendocrine tumor patients possible. Over the next few years, I think the treatment of neuroendocrine tumors is evolving as more and more practitioners are getting involved in the care. And more recently, that includes nuclear medicine. And right now, nuclear medicine is, because of the use of peptide receptor radiotherapy, nuclear medicine has become a part of the multidisciplinary team. And they do need a say and have some input onto the care of these patients. Immunotherapy is a topic of incredible interest to our patients, and there is promising findings through the DART study for certain subgroups of patients, particularly high-grade neuroendocrine tumor patients. And our small cell lung cancer patients do have immune therapy that's recently been approved in combination with platinum-based chemotherapy. But for the majority of neuroendocrine tumor patients, immune therapy does not currently have a role, and to provide that to our patients outside of a clinical trial is not advisable.
The future of neuroendocrine, I hope, is as bright as what we've seen in the past few years. We definitely need more treatments. Now, the interesting thing is, what can we learn from other types of cancers which can help? We have these new nuclear therapies, and so maybe other cancers can benefit from neuroendocrine also. But we've also seen an explosion of things like immunotherapy, which has just revolutionized some of our cancers. We'll have to see how it applies to neuroendocrine. We may need to combine therapies to make them better. We may need to use other different medicines to make treatments better. So those are all things we'll have to evaluate. But the great thing is we're all working together. And as people begin to appreciate that neuroendocrine is more important and that more people have it, hopefully more research will go into it.